We're just a few days away from T20 World Cup 2024, but ahead of the marquee tournament, Australia are struggling. Australian team are struggling to find players to make them play in the warm-up match against Namibia. Yes, they have their warm-up match against Namibia on May 29, but till that date, only 9 players will be available with them to play in the match against Namibia. Now, what will they do in such a case, and how this situation arise? First of all, it's all because of IPL. There were a certain number of players who were playing in IPL 2024, especially in the finale match, and all those players will take some time to join the team in Barbados. If we talk about IPL 2024 finale, then Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders were up against each other. And in Sunrisers Hyderabad, there was Travis Head and Pat Cummins, while in KKR, there was Mitchell Starc. Now, Mitchell Starc's team, Kolkata Knight Riders, lifted the IPL 2024 trophy. They became the champions of IPL 2024. But if we look at the bigger picture, then all these Australian players will require some time to go back to their home and then join the team. Now, in such a scenario, the situation is that they are also struggling to find out other players who are part of the IPL 2024 qualifiers as well. For example, Royal Challengers Bengaluru. That team had Cameron Green and Glenn Maxwell. Both the players have gone to their home place and then they will be joining the team. Whereas if we talk about Marcus Stoinis, who is part of Lucknow Super Giants, he will be joining the team soon in Barbados, but he will be able to make it only after the Namibia match, the first warm-up game. So in such a scenario, they have only 9 players available to play against Namibia. So how they'll make that perfect 11 to play against Namibia? That's a bigger question. Now, if we talk about the availability of players, then there's also a possibility that only 8 players play against Namibia, the 8 players from the Australian side, and other roles they'll have to look amongst the coaching staff as well, the assistant staff as well. If we talk about the 8 players, how that situation will arise, let me tell you. Mitchell Marsh, he is recovering from hamstring injury. So there is a possibility that he might skip this warm-up match against Namibia because it's a long tournament ahead and he might choose to just give himself some time and then show up only during the important dates of the tournament, which means the entire tournament, which will begin from June 2. This is only the warm-up game. So in such a scenario, only 8 players will be available with Australia. According to the reports, the coaching staff, which has Andrew McDonald, George Bailey, they might take up some roles if need be. These have been the reports all around, and I'm just telling you that this is a scenario where we can expect the coaching staff members also to join in to play a warm-up match. But what's Mitchell Marsh say? Marsh said that though they will be, undermanned in the warm-up match against Namibia, but for them the most important thing is to give rest to the players. He mentioned that quite a few players who are playing in IPL 2024 and all those players really need some rest, be it a couple of days home visit or whatever, but they really need that rest and they will be giving that rest to each and every player. So he said that when the tournament will start, they will have their 15-member squad, full squad, but before that, the rest is very, very important for all the players, and that's why they are giving the luxury to all the players to have some time off and then join the team with a fresh mindset so that they can perform really well in the T20 World Cup as well. Marsh, as a captain, is looking forward for a second T20 World Cup title win, and that's why he wants all his players to be in right mindset, to be fully fit for a big tournament. But right now the situation is such that Australia will be having just 9 players, or even in a case only 8 players to play in the warm-up against Namibia.